Here's how to make your own custom animations for 3D objects in Microsoft Office, using Blender. We'll use Suzanne the monkey as our model. Add an armature. Parent the model to the armature. I'll use automatic weights. Change to pose mode. That's very important, and what I was missing before. We'll add a few keyframes. Moving. Rotating. Scaling. Top-notch work. Color it red so we can see it easily in PowerPoint. Export the GLB with default settings. Import it into PowerPoint. And there it goes. Zipping all over the place. Superb.